So let him turn around and come back, but you can see there's no smoke or oil or anything. It's running good. Yeah, the carb's tuned right. He's come back down here. See if we get a little exhaust note for you. See what she sounds like. Go ahead. See if there's no smoke. All in all, dialed in, running good. Tires are brand new, so they were put on. I don't even think it's been out on the road yet, so we just got the tires heated up. I'll talk to Jake here. I was just getting the sound of it.